Now say house. Okay, relax. Take a deep breath. Let it out slowly. House, sweetie, house.
Hey, how are my girls?
Good.
How's it going?
Good, very good.
Yeah? Good. What are you working on? Cup. That's right. Come on, you can say cup. That's right, baby. You can do it. Look at me. Look, watch me. Cup.
Cup.
Lila, just let her say it. Won't you just let her say it, please? I'm sorry. You just keep saying it for her. Just let her say it.
I'm doing my best.
They told you to say the word for her, Lila. I don't think so. Just let her say the word. That's all I'm saying. Okay? You're not doing that.
What, I'm supposed to leave her there totally frustrated
Cup.
and unhappy? Is that what I'm supposed to do?
No, just let her say the
Cup.
word. That's what they want you to do. It's okay. I'm sorry. Just let her say the word, okay?
Cup. Cup.
Did it, Marie?
Well, I don't think you put enough pressure on her, Lila.
Warren, she's just a little girl. I can't stand to see her suffer. I can't stand
So
it.
what happens when she goes? Do you think she's going to make fun of when she goes to school? Because I can guarantee you that she will.
You tell me. What do you think we should do?
I just think, August, we love you, whatever you do, don't we?
Wait. Order her something. Is that it? You want to help?
Okay, you are the fairy godmother, and I am the princess. We live in a big castle, and I have lots of princess dresses. Okay, fairy godmother, make me talk right. And please hurry.
All right, Marie, let's take your time. There's no hurry. Okay. This is a butterfly. Ball. I'll tell you what. I'll let you take these cards with you, and maybe you'll feel more comfortable practicing at home with your mom and dad, okay?